Hi there, I'm back with episode 8 of Zoning In. First off, I would like to thank all of you for your periodic responses on all my videos so far, and I have no words to express my gratitude for the love and support that you have showered on me so far. I expect it to stay the same in the coming times. Thank you so much. Today's tip: practice being in the eye of the storm. The eye of the storm, my dear friends, is that specific spot in the center of a tornado or a hurricane that stays calm in the frenzy of the activity. However violent or turbulent the environment is, the center always stays peaceful. How nice it would be if we were in a position to stay calm in all the chaotic situations of our life, isn't it? My dear friends, it only takes intention and practice to do that. We can start with harmless small scenarios of life like family gatherings or cocktail or birthday parties. We can decide to ourselves that we will display being an example of peace in that room on that particular day, on that particular situation. We can practice listening more, breathing, and we can let people be right and have their glory. The point is, you can achieve it if you set your mind to do it. While practicing this in small, harmless scenarios like this, we can master this technique and then face life's trying situations like hardship, grief, or conflict. So, my dear friends, practice being in the eye of the storm. That's it for today. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.